आइए आज सीखते हैं प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस के इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस के साथ हाउ टू का यूज क्वेश्चन आंसर के साथ। डू यू नो हाउ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश? Yes, I know how to speak English. No, I don't know how to speak English. Do you know how to dance? Yes, I know how to dance. No, I don't know how to dance. Do you know how to teach? Yes, I know how to teach. No, I don't know how to teach. Do you know how to play cricket? Yes, I know how to play cricket. No, I don't know how to play cricket. Do you know how to read and write? Yes, I know how to read and write. No, I don't know how to read and write. Do you know how to make food? Yes, I know how to make food. No, I don't know how to make food. Do you know how to operate a computer? Yes, I know how to operate a computer. No, I don't know how to operate a computer. Do you know how to drive a car? Yes, I know how to drive a car. No, I don't know how to drive a car. Do you know how to sing a song? Yes, I know how to sing a song. No, I don't know how to sing a song. Do you know how to talk? Yes, I know how to talk. No, I don't know how to talk.